What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on ATER ticker symbol.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when we had this consolidation phase right after we bounced from the range of roughly $3.93, and I have to say that we defined two major levels. One of them is a range of resistance and the second one was the range of support. Let me mark it for you right here. And I have to say that we broke the range of support, and as you can see we hovered for quite some time and had even attempt to get closer to this range of resistance. But eventually we went lower, had a slight bounce, a very tiny bounce from this range of support, and eventually we broke it to the downside. Definitely it is quite bearish sign, and my main assumption previously was that we have this shape of retracement, the simple zigzag, and most likely for now we are on the way to break this range of support, but also we have very good possibility to hit even higher targets and to have the bounce from this range. So what should we expect next and how we can benefit from the upcoming movements, I will show you in my technical analysis. But for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And let's start with this one. On investorplace.com 4 hours ago we have this article that is titled "Don't buy Aterian stock until after Monday's earnings." And the subtitle is "The wise investor plays it safe with ATER stock and waits until after the Q1 2022 results are out." And the main idea of this article is that we should wait until we'll have the results of their earnings report, and it will take place on after hours on May the 9th. And I have to say that I completely agree with this statement because it is quite a volatile stock. And if you want to make any bets on this asset, it is a pure gambling before the earnings report. And that's why we have to wait, we have to have more confirmation, we have to see some kind of guidance for the upcoming quarters, and we have to see their actual results for the Q1 2022. And definitely, with this information we will have more confidence what should we expect next and what is the potential movement. So, and let me show you another article that was published 2 days ago, and it's titled "Is ATER stock poised for another short squeeze rally after Q1 results?" And the subtitle is "Revenue growth has been lower than guidance and equity dilution seems likely in 2022." And let me quote you this. "The recent rally to the upside was a typical short squeeze with no major positive catalyst. However, even after the big surge, the short interest in ATER stock remains abnormally high at around 39%. And definitely with this high short volume ratio, we might see next short squeeze depending on their earnings report. And with this movement to the upside, definitely we might have some kind of bearish pressure on this stock. And one of these catalysts might be the potential dilution. When the price of stock moves higher, a lot of low cap companies might benefit from this movement and might dilute their existing shareholders in order to collect more money for their main activity. And it might be the case for the Aterian, but so far let me show you the short interest volume. And we have the short interest percent of float of 36.86%, and the off-exchange short volume ratio is 44.24%. Definitely we have very high numbers. And let me show you that for now we have about 25,000 shares available for shorting, and previously we had about 100 shares available for shorting. And the short borrow fee rate right now is 97.09, and I have to say that it is fluctuating in between 97.09 and 108.29. definitely we have a very high probability of potential short squeeze if we'll see huge support from retail community right after their earnings report. And definitely earnings report should give us some hope related to their upcoming quarters, and definitely they should have strong numbers in it. So, and let's continue with the stocktweets.com website. As you can see, we don't have Aterian on the watcher section. We have this ticker symbol on the 7th place on most active section, and we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. This means from the stock tweets community we don't have huge support, but still it is in the list of most active symbols on the 7th place. And let me show you that on apewisdom.io Aterian is on the 3rd place, and during the last 24 hours it gained 3 rows, and for now it has 269 mentions among the Wall Street Bets community. And definitely because of this support this asset has a decent possibility to have a short squeeze, but first of all we have to see some catalyst. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? As I already mentioned, we have very strong support at the range in between basically $4 and $3.91, and this range might be a very good support range for this asset. And if on Monday's trading session we will see a lower price action, we might have a bounce from this range right after they post their earnings report. Definitely this earnings report should be very strong, and they should disclose strong guidance for upcoming quarters, and if it is the case, definitely we might have a bounce to the upside. And what should we expect next? In my opinion, if you want to enter the position with this asset, just wait for the Monday's price action, and if this asset breaks the range of support of roughly $3.94, it will be next red flag for its upcoming movement, because technically we will confirm this ABC correction to the downside, and our C point might be on lower prices. And how we can define these prices? If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and project from the top of the B wave, the most probable range of extension in the C wave compared to A is 1 to 1, and it is the price point of roughly $2.5. Definitely if we will break the range of support of $4, we might land at this range. But otherwise, if we will have a bounce on Monday's session, we will establish the double bottom pattern, and this pattern will be the stop loss order again, and you could accumulate your potential long position with this asset with a tight stop loss that will prevent you from substantial losses. So in a matter of several days I will do another update to project some targets for this asset on the bullish side. But for now, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium